Hey everybody, it's Captain Drew Cavanaugh here from Florida Inshore Fishing Charters. Today I'm going to do a quick little review recommendation over the Better Boat deck brush. This can be used with the Better Boat extendable rod or a standard broom handle, marine grade, also available in mediums and stiff texture bristles. So I've been working with Better Boat for a while and they make some really fantastic products. So my background is I'm a 20-year veteran saltwater charter boat captain, United States Coast Guard Marine Merchant Mariner. I take people out on fishing charters here in Florida. So I definitely can say I've been around boats quite a bit. I've been around cleaning them, detailing them, fixing them, all the good stuff. And this is a brush that was sent to me that the next time I have to clean it, I can just tell by feeling it. When I took it out of the bag the other day, I could just tell. I was like, okay, this thing's gonna work nice. Because this is the old one I'm using. It's wooden and all that kind of stuff. I'm pretty much done with it. I'll use it around the house and whatnot. But, you know, I'll have to get one of their wands for this. But this thing, it just screws on a standard, you know, the handle right here. As you can see, it just screws right down there. It's gonna work great. This one right here that I use keeps falling off. It's just wood. That's nice. It's gonna work great. It's gonna be good to scrub the boat. It's gonna be good to scrub the deck. It's soft. It's not gonna damage my boat. And again, it's the Better Boat brush. And I think you're gonna like it just as much as I do. I highly suggest you get one. Thank you for watching. Have a great day.